Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20, and today I will show you how we can check if your phone was rooted. So at the first we have to open the dialer, next the dial pad, and we have to tap for the asterisk, hash, asterisk, hash, then 001, hash, asterisk, hash, asterisk, and after that we'll be moved to that screen when we can find a lot of information, and we have to take a look in this place. So there's is root and it's on the 0, and the 0 value means that our phone wasn't rooted, but if you got here the value 1, it means that your phone was rooted. And basically that's all. As you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.